कुठ्ठाळीची आमदार एलिना सल्ढानान कुठ्ठाळी मतदारसंघातल्या दर्यावेळींची पळोवणी केली। दर्यावेळे सुशोभितीकरण करपाक सुरवात करतले म्हण आमदार एलिना सल्ढाना उलयल्या। RDX गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट।
We are on this beautiful beach of ROC, close to Park Hyatt, and obviously this is a virgin beach. However, certain facilities have to be put in place, and as we walked along the road on the southern side, we have seen that maybe the road needs to be leveled, and a facility like a small stretch of pavement should be provided for the pedestrians, because this is the road that is mainly used by the locals of the village, so they can use this road. So we have requested for paving to an extent of 1.5 meters along the length of the road. Similarly, from the stretch where there is no lighting, we have requested for lighting of the road, and a major request is the high mast, which has to be located at a height so that the light is focused on the beach and it benefits the tourists and the locals. Now, for this, we are requesting Park Hyatt Authority to provide us or give us the permission to install the high mast on that part of the area which is at a level, so that the focusing of the light on the beach will be more definite. Yeah, I think that's it. Now, as far as changing rooms are concerned, now this is a long stretch of the ROC beach. We'll be visiting the other side that is near Heritage, and we will then decide from the government, from the tourism department's point of view, where this basic infrastructure, that is toilet facility and the changing rooms, should be placed. So we are in the process, but definitely this beach is going to be provided with the changing facility and the toilet facility from the tourism department. We have to put in our request with the police department, because they would know exactly where the location of the CCTV camera should be. So we'll be doing that as well.